welcome to Rockstar Vegan Recipes. I'm Brooke, and today we're going to be making a simple, nutritious, and delicious vegan granola. Granola is really easy to make. It's simple, it's delicious, it's healthy. I have all of my ingredients laid out here, and basically I'm just going to throw them into a bowl and mix them up. So first, what I have 2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats, half a cup of chopped pecans, half a cup of chopped walnuts, half a cup of shredded unsweetened coconut, half a cup of pumpkin seeds. I alternate between raw pumpkin seeds and roasted pumpkin seeds. Half a cup of sunflower seeds. Again, I alternate between raw and roasted. A quarter of a cup of hulled hemp seeds, one and a half teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and then I add 2 liquids. The first is a quarter cup of extra virgin melted coconut oil, and the second is a third of a cup of pure maple syrup. The last ingredient that I have is half a cup of chopped dried apricots. I'm not putting this into this mixture right now. I'm going to wait until the granola has baked for 20 minutes, and then I'm going to throw it in for the last 10 minutes. So now we just mix it all together until all the ingredients are coated in the coconut oil and maple syrup. Okay, now the granola is all mixed, and I'm going to be putting it onto a baking sheet. I put some parchment paper on the baking sheet, and we're going to spread the granola out so that it is nice and even across the baking sheet. So now it is evenly spread across the baking sheet. I'm going to put it into the oven to bake for 20 minutes. I have heated the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to put it into the oven for 20 minutes, and then I'll take it out, and then I will add the half cup of chopped apricots. Okay, so the 20 minutes is up. I just took the granola out, and now I'm going to be mixing in the half a cup of dried chopped apricots. So I'm just going to mix it all together. You don't want them in there for too long, or the apricots will burn. So you just want them in for the last 10 minutes instead of for the full 30 minutes. Now I'm going to put the granola back into the oven since it's all mixed up, and set the timer for 10 more minutes. Okay, so the granola just came out of the oven. It is baked for 30 minutes altogether, 20 minutes without the apricots and 10 minutes with the apricots at the end. And it's a nice golden color. I'm just going to let this cool before I empty it into our container. Now the granola has cooled, and I just want to point out that the more you stir it, the more loose it will be, like this. But if you want some clusters of granola, then just stir it less and you'll have more clusters. Some people like clusters. I personally usually just stir it and have it all broken up. Okay, so this is the tricky part. I'm going to attempt to transfer the granola into my glass container. So what I'm going to do is, I hope it stays together, I'm going to pick up the parchment paper. This is actually called baking paper, so it's a little bit thinner than parchment paper. So I'm going to attempt to pick it up without it splitting on me. Oh dear. Okay, and then transfer it into the container. So far so good. I'll just show you how it, and there it is. Okay, so you can have this granola any way that you want. You can have it with vegan milk. You can have it on a baked apple. That would be really nice with a little bit more cinnamon sprinkled on top. A way that I like having it is, I'm just going to put some of it into a bowl with some vegan yogurt. This just is the coconut yogurt. It's plain, unsweetened. So I'll put some of that into the bowl as well. And then with some berries. And here I just have some sliced strawberries and some blueberries. And there it is. It's a great breakfast or snack at any time of the day. It's nice and healthy and it's delicious. Wow, this is delicious. It's rock star quality. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you give this recipe a try, and please subscribe, like, and comment. As always, the recipe is in the description. Just click on show more and you'll get the full recipe. And thank you very much. Oh, and click on the little bell so that you will be notified for upcoming weekly recipes.